Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm covering today the Ipsy Shine On Mega Mystery Bag, and this is a big one. This is a 10 full-size product. It retailed for $75 and it's supposed to have a value of $318 in the bag. So you actually get the bag. That's not part of the 10, and it is a really well-made bag. It is so pretty. Just gorgeous. The construction, it's lined inside. And it actually came with a little coin purse that has a little chain, and you can, put it anywhere you want. I just happen to attach it, to the bag. But I love it. It is like really pretty, and it's not even included in the 10 full size, so it's kind of like an extra bonus. So I love it, and definitely will get use out of this. So first item I'm going to cover is the First Aid Beauty. It's the Ultra Repair Rescue Barrier Balm. It retails for $36, and it's supposed to be really good for protecting your skin barrier. And I'm going to read a little bit about it here. It's a protective layer, provides temporary relief to cracked, chapped skin. 24-hour hydration helps soothe dry, irritated skin, strengthens your skin's barrier, and is non-comedogenic. It won't clog your pores, and it's breathable. So I'm not going to open it right now because I have some other products that I am using, but what a good price, or what a good buy for this, and what a good value. If you go into any store that carries First Aid Beauty, this does retail for $36. So I am so happy to have it, and I love First Aid Beauty. It's one of my favorite brands. Just because they're made for sensitive skin. The product ingredients are very good, and I love their products. So I've tried probably 4 or 5 different products, and I love them. So I am really excited to have this in here. Second item, and another great brand, it's called Dr. Brandt, and this is the Advanced Microdermabrasion Face Exfoliator. This retails for $79, and I believe it. Dr. Brandt is expensive. This has a spa-grade exfoliating cream. It refines your texture. You use it twice a week, and let's see if I can get this open so we can see what this looks like, and then I'll read about it while you're looking at the package here. And let's see. It says, inspired by the original microdermabrasion skin exfoliating procedure, this formula has aluminum oxide crystals, lactic acid, and soothing botanicals. This formula effectively removes dull, dead skin cells to reveal a smoother, brighter, and more radiant skin. And you can use this up to twice a week. Dampen skin, gently exfoliate for about 2 minutes in a circular motion, and then rinse well. So I am glad to have it, and what an expensive product. Let's see, it's sealed, so I don't want to open it, but it's a microdermabrasion, so it has more of a fine exfoliating consistency to it. So it retails for $79, and I'm glad to have it. This is a great product, and so I will use that. And then Il Maquillage, I can't believe we have this in here. This is the third product. This is a $29 black card lift, curl, and lengthen mascara, and I can't believe it. I'm in shock that I have this. I was actually looking at some other videos from a couple months ago that they had first bought this box or this mystery bag on YouTube, and they had totally different products. So with mystery bags, it is a mystery, so you don't know what products you're going to get in them. They were just showing what they first started out this mystery bag with, but I'm really happy with the products that I have in this mystery bag. So here is the mascara, and I'm sorry about my voice. I don't know what happened. I just lost it tonight. So it's a very tiny, thin wand. So this would be perfect for under on the lower lashes, so getting all the tiny little lashes. So I'm glad to have that. I'm excited. I can't believe it. I only have a couple products from Il Makiage, and it's a very good prestige brand to have. So good to have, and that retailed for $29. The fourth item we have here is by Evio Skin. And this is 3 pairs of a hydrogel eye therapy eye pads. And it is supposed to replenish, give a collagen boost, and depuff. And I was looking at the retail, 6 pairs, which this is half, 6 pairs retails for $22. So I priced this out at $11. And I'm going to open this just so we can, iPads are usually, it's self-explanatory, but I just kind of want to get a look and see if they're clear or not. Oh, no, but they do come in a tray, and you can feel that in the product. You could tell it's, very moist for your eyes, but this is what they look like. And you obviously get one for your left, under your left eye, and one under your right eye. So, and then you get 3 packages of iPads in this box. So good to have. I can never have enough hydrating iPads for myself. And then also, some of these items I probably will gift out into the giveaway. And when I'm at around 270 subscribers. When I hit 300, I'm going to have a giveaway. So you guys stay tuned for that, okay? And the 5th item is by Beauty Bio. And I have tried this brand, and it's a good brand. I do like the brand. This retails for $42. This is the Beauty Bio Hydrating Booster. It has lipid-rich ceramides and natroactoin for a surge of hydration. And so, let me split this open here. It's sealed. And let me get this guy open so we can take a look. I don't want to slice myself here. Okay. And this is what the product packaging looks like. And let's see if it, unscrews top. And I think you push from the bottom, and that's how the product comes out. So this is what it looks like. This is a 1 fluid ounce, so 30 milliliters of product. And I actually went on their website tonight, and their products are pretty expensive. So I believe that this does retail for $42. And what a good product to have. So I'm excited. With the first 5 products here that I've covered, I'm happy with every single one of them. So this has been a home run so far. And number 6, this is a more common brand that you have seen around. It's the e.l.f., and this is their bronzing drops. So this is their full-size bottle. You can use these bronzing drops, by themselves after you put your moisturizer on, just to give a little bit of color, to your face and some bronze glow to it. Or you can mix this in on the back of your hand with your foundation and then add that, onto your face and apply it. And so this product, these are super popular, and this retails for $13. So that's another winner there. And then the seventh item I'm really excited about. I can't believe these are in here. They're the brand TYS, and it's the Treat Yourself brush set. And this brush set is a face powder brush and also a blush brush in here. And this one's a little bit slanted, you can tell here, you know. You could probably even use it for a highlighter, but I would definitely use it as a blush brush. And then this is for, you know, setting with your loose powder. So I'm really happy to have this. And I don't have a ton of brushes, but you know, it's so nice, and they're, you know, they're sealed up. It's sanitary. I enjoy that, and I really appreciate that. So this retails on their website for $30. And this is a really nice set. So I'm glad to have that. And that was number 7. Number 8 is another great product. I'm actually finishing one of these up, this identical product right now. I'm almost done with it. And I've used it over the last, I want to say, since maybe Christmas. So for about 3 months, I've gotten a lot of product out of it. And this is the Olivia Uma Glass Skin Tanjulu Lip Tox. And it's basically a lip mask. And this retails on their website for $15. If Ipsy still has it, you could, if you're a member, you could get into the Ipsy shop, and they might have it on sale for maybe $6 or $8. But it is a good product, and I have been using it. I have no complaints. The taste is good. The scent is fine, and the consistency of it is very smooth, and it does hydrate your lips. And so this is what it looks like in the product. And there is quite a bit of product. Like, you don't need a whole bunch of it for it to do its job. It's just, you know, it just stays really creamy and moisturizing on your lips. So good product. I'm glad to have this. And so that was number 8. And then number 9 is another, same brand, another product by Beauty Bio. It's called the Healthy Scalp Dry Shampoo. And this retails, I've seen it retailing between $25 and $39. And this is their full size. They have a smaller travel size, but this is the full size 4 ounce. And it's a spray. And let me see if I can pop. Yep. And you just spray this in. It does a deep cleaning. This is what they state. It's good for your scalp because it actually does a deep clean. It's a dry shampoo. So it's not only good for your roots of your hair, but also your scalp. And it says it does an instant deep cleaning of the roots. And it's benzene-free, starch-free, and also alcohol-free. So that's a nice product, and I'm glad to have that. I'm using a dry shampoo right now by another brand, and it's, you know, famous. I think it's Batiste or something, and I like it. You know, it's fine, but it does kind of leave a little bit of that white cast, and then I have to brush it out, and then, you know, everything's fine. But anyways, this is good to have, and I'm happy. Like every item in this bag has been great for me, and I am really happy to have it. The last product, number 10, is a palette, an eyeshadow palette, and this retails, they have it for $38, and that's on their website, and also what the value is on Ipsy. Ipsy does have this in stock, so if you like this, you could go on the website, and if you're a member, meaning you've subscribed to one of the, either the Ipsy you know, extra or the original bag, you can have access to this, and it's on sale for like, oh my gosh, like not even a third of the retail price of $38, you know. So I think it's around $12 or $14, something like that, $15. But this is so pretty, and it's perfect for Christmas or for Easter and for the springtime. It's called the Whimsical Bloom eyeshadow palette, and this is what that looks like. Let me see if I can turn that so you can get a pretty good look at what those colors look like. But it's very, very pretty. And you know, eyeshadow palettes, it has a couple of shimmers that are in here. I see about 4 of them or so, and then the rest of them, yes. So here's your 4 shimmers, and that's beautiful. I mean, they're just very pretty. And then you have some pastels, and then you have some just really nice Easter and spring colors. So that is a really, really pretty palette. I really like this palette and happy to have it. I don't really have a lot of palettes that have some bright, you know, fun colors like this. So that's good for me. I need to, you know, be able to have some nice brighter colors to use. And so anyways, this whole 10 full size retailed out. I added it up even with the low end of the Beauty Bio dry shampoo that I saw at the low end. I took the $25, the low end, versus the $39 price. And so with that, at $25, everything retailed for $318 in this bag. And I am very happy. This is probably my favorite mystery bag I've ever gotten. So if you're interested, you know, you just go on to Ipsy, www.ipsy.com, and you can get on there yourself. You know, all of these, I'm not paid by Ipsy. I pay for all my products, and I just enjoy, you know, making these videos for you. And I hope you've had a good weekend. And I've had a good weekend. I've worked, I've felt productive, and you know, did a lot of laundry and did some sanitizing around the house. And so I'm happy. You know, life is okay. It's not bad. Nothing to complain about today. So anyways, you have a good night, and thank you so much for watching. You know, my channel, if you can tell people and share my link, you know, and tag me, I would appreciate that, so we can get to that 300 and we can have a giveaway. Thank you so much. Have a good day.